Hello, welcome all. Today in this demo, now I am going to show you how to attend the online test. Before going to answer your paper, you need to do few things in your mobile. The first thing is open your Play Store. Okay, tap on Play Store. After that, in search option, you need to enter Chrome. Just search Chrome, CHROME, then tap on search button. You will get Google Chrome application. If you have not installed your application, at the time it will ask you to install in place of update. If you have already installed, then it will ask you to update. Click on, then it will ask you to update. So click on, if you have not installed, click on install button, then install Google Chrome. If you have already installed, it is asking for update. Click on update button, then it will be updated. After this, you need to do one thing. Go back. After going back, you need to open Google Chrome. Then it will, in Google Chrome, you have to search google.com. Then give it search. Okay, then after this, the Google page will open like this. Then here right side top corner, here it will ask you to sign in. Then you need to sign in by entering your email ID. Now I will enter my email ID. See, like this you have to enter your email ID. After that, after entering email ID, click on next button. Email ID means that is the Gmail ID which you are using with your phone. See, now it is asking me password. Now I have entered its password. Okay, then click on next button. Then it will be logged in. After logging in, see in the right top corner, it will show you Yum. Here it is showing Yum. Yum means I have given my name, so it is showing a Yum. So what the name you have given, its starting letter will be shown on the right top corner of this page. Okay, after doing these things, after logging into Google Chrome, okay, then again go back. After going back, you need to go to your WhatsApp where you have received your test paper link. Go to WhatsApp, then you have received a link here. Click on that link and select Chrome. After selecting, you will get your question paper here like this. See, it is showing you form, presenter, then computer science. Here time has given 3 minutes. Because this is a short paper, so for that thing we have given 3 minutes time here. So when you click on start button, then soon after that time counter will get start and your time will going to be reduced. Now I am tapping start button. See, after tapping start button, a page will be opened like this. See here in red color, time is decreasing. Within that time, we need to answer the paper here. Don't worry, based on your marks, time for your test will be given sufficiently. Here email address has asked. Here don't worry, just enter your name and give it as gmail.com. As I have given, enter your name, then at gmail.com. Here the things marked with red star, they are compulsory. If you leave any of these, then you will not get next option. After that, enter name here. Then after this, class is given. Just you need to tap on the check box, then you will get a right mark. If paper is for PUC, then PUC will be given there. Then you need to tap on that box and check mark will appear. Then after that, click on next option. Before going to that, I will show you one thing. Now I am leaving name here. I have not entered. If I click on next, then it will not move. It will ask you to enter your name here. Like this, for every mandatory question, the question which is marked with the red star is mandatory. For every mandatory thing you need to enter the answer. Then next, after next you will get questions like this. This is first main. Here see, time is decreasing. Within this time only you need to complete. So these are multiple choice questions. Just click on the right answers circle. Then after this, see, as I have entering now, you need to enter. Then after this you will get the next option here. After completing this first main, you need to click on next option. Then you will get next page of your question page. After completing first main, that is multiple choice questions, when you click on next button, you will get second main like this. Second main, third main, and all the main questions you will get like this. For every question there is an option, that is add file. What you need to do here is, you have to write answer in a separate sheet of paper and put today's date, it means test date, above the answer. Above each answer you need to enter test date. After writing, for example, I am showing you here. Now I have written answer for 6th question. So soon after writing 6th question answer, you have to tap on add file button. Now I have tapped. Then it will ask you to select file from your device. Okay, then click on this option, select file. It will ask you give allow, then give allow. Then after this, here is option, that is capture image option is there. You will get an option capture image. Tap on that option, then use camera. Okay, after this you need to take your written answer image in this. See, now as I am taking it directly from textbook, but you need to take the image of your written answer. See, like you have to take image. Okay, see, then click on OK. Then here you will get upload option. Click on that upload option, your file will be uploaded. See, like this it is uploading. Now after that, one more question is there, the last question of this paper, that is write about Jacquard's loom. So you need to write answer for this question the same way how you have done for the 6th question, and put the date above the answer and tap on add file button. Then it will ask you select file from your device. Tap on that button, then tap on capture image. Okay, then use camera, then take your written answer image here. Click on take image. Then it will give you two options, one is retry, another one is OK. Okay, then click on OK button. Then image will be uploaded and ask you to upload. Okay, tap on upload button. Then like this your image will be uploaded. After attending every question, you will, it means all questions. See here, every question is having a red star mark. Star mark means these questions are compulsory. If you leave any of these questions without attending, then you will not get this submit option. So you have to attend every question, and after that only you will get submit option. When you get submit option, finally if you select submit button, this is nothing, don't worry. When you click on submit button, then your paper will be submitted. Here it is showing submission tracking ID do not change, so please do not change your ID. See, like this your response will be recorded. Then after that your subject teacher will correct your answer paper and your subject lecturer or teacher will send you your marks. So this is the demo of your test, how you need to attend your test. So one thing here is, while uploading written answer, you need to have the network connection, that is internet with minimum speed. If the speed of internet is low, then you cannot able to upload your file. So dear students, after this I am going to show you, if the time will get complete, then what will happen. You need to observe one thing here. See, time is decreasing. This paper is just for 3 minutes, so I have given last 1 minute as option. When you reach to last 1 minute, it will show you a message, form is closing, submit soon, like this it will show. So based on your marks, we will give you last moment as 5 minutes. Within those 5 minutes, you need to complete your answer and you have to submit the answer sheet. See here, now time has coming near to 1 minute. When it reaches 1 minute, a message will start just below here in red color. Look, message has started. Form is closing soon. Submit before time out. See here, line is moving forward. Before completing this line and before your time get close, you need to submit your form. So here, if you not able to submit your form, at that time what will happen is, you have not submitted your form in time. So like this, the time will be closed and it will show you form is timed out, better luck next time. Okay, if this thing happen means, then you need to go for the link again and you need to answer for every question from first question onwards. So don't let the time complete. Before completing the time, you have to answer for your questions.